Alright, so dear friends and family, hopefully all of you are well and having a good time. Today in this video, what I want to share with all of you is a great idea that most of the time we just think that, man, there's not any great ideas that I can apply in my life and I can really get some kind of benefit from there. We just think that there's a huge shortage of ideas in the universe. We just think that like there's not any opportunity for me and I do not have the right people with me. I do not have the right resources that can really make me better. We feel that we have nothing, but there's like, if you keep reading this kind of, like, if you keep reading some books from the online, then if you like read some kind of personal development books, then you will feel that there's a lot of people who has done something different without any great resources. Like, we do have the internet connection right now. We do have so many things, so many great resources that they didn't have in that time, in their time, but they had done something different and they had done something really very they made a really huge change in our society. And we are not being able to do it. We're just thinking that, man, I do not have enough resources. Like, we are feeling that there's a shortage of ideas in our universe. There is not any opportunities that we can really apply and be better. But listen, I was reading some books from the online and I understood that there's a lot of people who did something different without any kind of great resources, and there's a lots of thousands of examples of that. And we just think that I don't have any idea. It happens only because of we don't read books. It happens, we feel like this because of, we only feel like this only because of, like, we just think that there's not any great there's not any kind of great opportunities in front of us, but we don't read books. If we read books, we will get a lot of ideas and we will get a lot of creative ideas. Those can really change our mindset and we can really think into a different way. Because our mindset or our thinking patterns are totally blocked with our limited visions. We have to break this kind of cycles and we have to think beyond the situation. We have to think actually overboard. We have to actually have some kind of different visions. We have to have some kind of different sides in our head or in our thinking patterns, so that we can really think something different. And but before that, we have to gather knowledge, we have to read books. And if we read books, then we will get to know different kind of creative ideas which we can do, which we can apply in our daily life, and we really can make a difference in ourselves. But we are not ready for that. We do not allow ourselves to do all those kind of things, because those are really boring. For some of the people, for somebody, those are like, they just feel that, man, this is too hard, this is way hard, and I don't have enough time. But we still have some time for our, comfort zone, for our friends. But if we just invest that time into learning, we really can be something different. That is the message. There is not any shortage of ideas in the planet, but we are the one who are just thinking that, like, we are the one in a limited vision, and that is why we think in that way and we cannot grow our mindset. We are growing, we are physically, all of us are growing, but mentally we are not being able to grow. This is where the great problems are happening. Just it. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully we all will be able to do something great, and with that hope, I want to stop this video. Thank you all. Good luck.